Hey everyone, in this quick Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, smooth swipe animation. It's super easy and perfect for slideshows, product demos, and those modern social posts. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open a new blank design. I'm using a standard Instagram size, but you can pick any size you need. Presentation, story, whatever works for you. Next, add the content that you want to swipe between. So this could be images, text blocks, or even product cards. Just position them side by side, a little off your main frame. Now click on the element you want to animate and open the animation panel. You'll find it at the top toolbar. Canva has a bunch of presets, but for a swipe action, we're going to use a directional movement. Look for the movement-based animations like slide, wipe, or pan. For a classic swipe effect, choose slide and set it to move in from the right or left. I usually go with left to right because it feels natural, but it's up to you. Then adjust the timing. A swipe looks best when it's quick, around half a second to 1 second. You can tweak the speed using the duration slider, and if you have multiple elements, stagger them for a smoother layered feel. If you want to swipe between slides, not just elements, switch to the page transitions. Click the tiny icon between your pages and choose a slide style transition. It gives you that full screen swipe look, kind of like a story effect. And that's it. Your swipe animation is ready. Super simple, super clean. If you want more Canva tricks like this, feel free to subscribe and check out the next tutorial. 拜 Hints is for 地区话 dinny.